Hello dear friends, welcome to my page or channel. I'm Elena Rugal and today I will show you how to crochet unusual trim border pattern. This pattern consists of only one row. It consists of complex stitch and picots. Also such pattern you can use like a bracelet, necklace, choker or headband or accessories for your home or kitchen. Also in this video can be found chart that was created by my studio. Please join me, and for this project you need to have some tools such as crochet hook 1.4 millimeters and a ball of 100% variegated yarn. Let's get started crocheting. I will begin my edge trim from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 27. Pattern consists of 6 stitches and has one row. My pattern repeats 6 times. 24 stitches are for my complex stitch and other 3 are for more beautiful look. Continue working on my foundation chain 2, 3, 4, 5. Here how it looks, the chart pattern. My foundation chain is ready. I have done the foundation chain. It made of 27 chains. So let's crochet row 1. Make double crochet. Make a row of double crochet for this. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook and make double crochet into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make double crochet. Make double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Like this. My foundation row is ready. I choose double crochet, but it can be single crochet, half double crochet or treble crochet. Now I turn the work. Let's crochet the trim. Chain. This chain for the transition. Make single crochet into the next stitch. Now let's crochet the complex stitch. Make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the same stitch that I worked into. Pull up a loop. Pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Then yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I have got 4 loops on the hook, and now I hold all loops with my finger. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Here what I have, then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. I have got 6 loops on the hook, and now yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My complex stitch is ready. I continue working on my trim. Now I'm working with picots. Make a chain of 2. Then on the top of the last chain stitch, make 3 chain picot. Chain of 3 for the picot, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Make slip stitch. The picot is ready. Chain of 2. Then chain of 3 for the picot. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Make a slip stitch. Well done. I have done 2 picots. Chain of 2, then chain of 3 for the picot. Work with a slip stitch into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. And my chain space with picots is ready. Then I'm going to work with my complex stitch. Now yarn over the hook 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of 6 chains, I'm making a tall stitch, and make the tall stitch into the 1, 2, 3, 4. I skip at 3 stitches. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then yarn over the hook 5 times. 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over the hook 4 times and work with the next stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. 1, 2, 3. I have got 5 loops on the hook. Then treble crochet into the same stitch. I do not finish this stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. Make treble crochet into the next stitch. I do not finish this stitch. And make double crochet into the same stitch. I do not finish my double crochet. I have got 7 loops on the hook. As you notice, I worked with 3 stitches. I did 2 stitches into each stitch of the previous row. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops 6 times. So my second complex stitch is ready, and I can to crochet my chain space. Then make chain space with picot. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. You should repeat as many times as you need. I have done 4 complex stitches, and now I show you how to complete such row. I did chain space with 3 picots. For this, yarn over the hook 6 times. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and work with the 4th one. pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My toe stitch is almost ready. Then yarn over the hook 5 times. Insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook 4 times. Toe stitch into the next stitch of the previous row. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Yarn over the hook 3 times and work with treble crochet into the same stitch. I do not finish this stitch. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook 3 times, insert the hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Then yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. 1, 2, and double crochet into the same chain stitch. I do not finish this stitch. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. My row is ready. So let's look at my trim. It consists of only 1 row. My row consists of 5 complex stitches. Between complex stitches, I made chain spaces with 3 picots. Also, you can use such complex stitches in rounds, not only in rows. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media. Here how my example looks like. In this case, I did 7 complex stitches. See you in the next video tutorials. It was Elena Rugal. Please write comment below the video what you will get. Bye!